Hi, second graders. Happy Monday. Today we are going to learn two new red words. So I am going to reveal to you what the first red word is. And if we were at school, I would ask if any of you think you had ever seen this word before. It's not a word we can tap out. That's why it's a red word. So I will tell you what this word is. This word is woman. Have you ever heard the word woman before? And if we were at school, I'd ask you to raise your hands and tell me, where have you heard the word woman before? Okay, a woman, what do you think the definition of woman is going to be? Maybe you've heard there was one woman standing in line for the restroom, or we saw a woman at the store. Okay, what do you think the definition of woman is? I'll show you. It's a singular noun. That means just one. One adult human female. Okay, remember we talked about male, M-A-L-E, means like boy. So female, F-E-M-A-L-E, that's girls. But adult female, human, is called a woman. Okay, like I'm a woman, your moms are all women. Actually, that's going to be our next word, women. Okay, so a woman is one adult human female. Okay, so woman, let's skywrite it. Okay, so it is W-O-M-A-N. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Why do you suppose this is a red word? If we were going to tap this out, we'd probably say, oh, it's two syllables. We'd probably go like w-a-m-a-n, wom and woman. But that's not a word. Okay, so it's woman. So it's a red word because this O is not long. It doesn't say oh, whoa, man. It doesn't say octopus, like a short O. Wah, man. It says woman. Okay, and this A-N at the end doesn't say an. It more sounds to me like in, like a short I. So that's why this is a red word. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. And I just told you what our second red word is. It's very similar to the first word. There's just one difference. This one has an A and this has an E. And now if I asked you, have any of you seen this word before? I bet a lot of you would say, I have seen that on those signs outside the bathrooms, the one where the person has a skirt on, the women's room. Okay, so women. What do you think the definition of women is? If the definition of woman is singular noun, one adult human female, what do you think the definition of women is? Let's check. Plural noun, more than one adult human female. Okay, so a group of adults who are girls is called a group of women. Okay, women. Let's skywrite women. W-O-M-E-N. Women. W-O-M-E-N. Women. And that's more than one, plural. So singular woman, plural women. And we will practice that in our dictation today, and I'm sure as days go on, you'll see these words come up more and more so that you can memorize them. Okay, we're also going to keep working on those long A spelling patterns because as I'm looking at your proficiency tests, you have a lot of them, but I want to make sure that we spend the rest of our weeks together really getting those solid so that we have those spelling patterns in our minds, okay? You're doing a great job, second graders. Keep it up.